Hi guys, welcome to another Blender tutorial. If you are new, of course subscribe. I upload every video. It's gonna help my channel. Today I'm gonna show you shape keys that you can use on a rigid body and not on rigid body. It's very cool. So I am in Blender. I'm gonna select my cube and GZ, move this cube up. Shift A on the measure, I'm gonna choose plane. S and move the mouse to make it bigger. And basically, what is shape key in Blender? You just wanna go right here on this icon, and you have under vertex group shape keys. Yes, and basically what you want to do, if I'm gonna just subdivide this plane, right click and choose subdivide. Yes, right click subdivide. So I want to show you this shape key, and I'm gonna click tab to go to the object mode. If I'm gonna just click plus and once again plus, basically this just creates two shape keys. Yes, and what do you want to do, you want to just click tab to go to the edit mode, select the second shape key, and I can deform some mesh. Maybe I'm gonna select those vertices and G, Z, move them down to have some impact on this cube. Yes, if I want to create. So I just created this on edit mode. Yes, and I have selected this second shape key, and I'm gonna click once again tab to go to the object mode. And as you can see, nothing's happened, but I have the control, the value right here on the 0. If I'm gonna just click right here, bring this to 1, this just creates the form that I selected on edit mode. So this is very useful, like I said, to create some kind of particle simulations or something like that. Yes, if you wanna basically have some effect, yes, on your mesh or something like this. Yes, to show if the cube is fallen, oh, we're gonna cut a hole right here. So you can use the shape key basically. Yes, and you can animate this value right here on this icon. Yes, so I hope you get it how this works, and you can use this with rigid body. If I'm gonna, maybe I'm gonna show you once again with rigid body. Okay, so I'm gonna on the Shift A choose cube, GZ, and I'm gonna go right here on this icon and choose rigid body. Now I'm gonna leave like that, and Shift A on the measure I'm gonna choose plane, S, and move the mouse to make it bigger. So this is my ground. I'm gonna add rigid body too, and I'm gonna change this to passive. If I'm gonna just click spacebar, my cube is falling to this plane. Yes, and nothing's happened. I can create shape key to basically to make this kind of cube falling down visible on this mesh. Yes, on this plane. So what I can do, I can select my plane. Once again, click tab to go to the edit mode, and I want to subdivide those plane. Yes, because I need more geometry basically to deform this stuff. Okay, that's nice. And I'm gonna once again click tab to go to the object mode. And what I want to do, I want to go on this icon, and I have shape keys. And I'm going to click plus, and once again, click plus. And I have selected the second one. Yes. I'm going to click tab, and I can deform some mesh right here, maybe. Yes, underneath this stupid cube if I want this. So if you want to do this correctly, of course, select, whatever you want. And GZ, I'm just gonna move this down, and I'm gonna click tap to go to the object mode. And once again, nothing's happened. But if I'm gonna just move this value, as you can see, I have the impact right here, and I can animate this. So I'm gonna bring the timeline up. Of course, I'm gonna click the space bar. Okay, nothing's happened. I'm gonna select the keyframe. Okay, maybe move this right here. And let me just see. Right here, the cube is falling. So I'm gonna just bring the value up to the 1. Okay, and I'm gonna just click right here, keyframe. And I hope you get how this works. Of course, the deformation is not on the cube, yes, where it's falling, but I hope you get it what its shape is doing basically, because this is the tutorial. Not look at this mess, okay? So as you can see, bam, and you have the effect. Yes, I can move this cube maybe a little bit like this to have this effect on this phone right here. I guess it's not gonna work because the rigid body is working, okay? And I need to add animated, so whatever. I hope you get it. What is going on with the stuff? I'm gonna maybe move this. Okay, now it's gonna be correct. I guess. As you can see, this shape key basically just deform my mesh underneath, and it's good. Like I said, to create some kind of effect. Yes, like your character, you can create like your character is walking, and it jump in and it's create some kind of hole. You can do this using the shape key, yes. You have your road or whatever, yes, your ground. You just go on this icon, create two shape keys, okay? And on the second one, just go on the edit mode, deform source mesh, yes, by GZ, of course, yes, move mouse, and you can create some stupid mesh deformation, yes. As you can see, I'm just going on the edit mode and I can add more kind of deformation if I want. And I'm gonna maybe bring this up, and I have the shape key right here. As you can see, this just falling down and this just falling up. I have access on the edit mode, so select the plane, edit mode by clicking tab, and you can deform source mesh. But it's important, of course, to add subdivision, yes, if you want to do this. You have the shape keys. As you can see, I'm just moving from value 0. This is 0, and right here, this is 1, and I have all the effects that I created on edit mode, and I can animate this right here on the keyframe. Yes, right here. I have the keyframes value right here. So I can bring this to 0. Once again, I'm going to show you. And right here, I can bring this to 1. This is boring, okay? I can click spacebar. As you can see, this just create this stupid deformation on my plane. So it's very cool to use this with rigid body, of course, yes, to see the effect, basically surroundings, yes, and to use this to your stuff. Thank you for watching this stupid tutorial. See you on the another one. Bye, guys.